Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak and frites. First, let's prepare our steak. Select a quality cut, such as a ribeye or sirloin, ideally about 1 inch thick. It's crucial to pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This ensures a beautiful, crispy sear. Then, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's cook that steak to perfection. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, then carefully place your seasoned steak in the hot pan. Sear for 3 to 4 minutes per side for a lovely medium rare. In the final minute, add a knob of butter, some crushed garlic, and fresh herbs to baste the steak, infusing it with incredible flavor. While your steak rests, let's get those frites ready. Start with starchy potatoes like russets and cut them into uniform sticks, about 1/4 inch thick. Soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This removes excess starch, leading to crispier fries. For the best results, we'll double fry them. The first fry is at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes, just until they are tender but not browned. The final steps bring it all together. Remember to rest your steak for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing it against the grain. This keeps it juicy. For the frites, increase your oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the second fry, cooking them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are beautifully golden and crispy. Immediately season the hot frites with fine salt. Now, serve your perfectly cooked steak with those irresistible, crispy golden frites. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.